Can an LLC be incorporated? No, an LLC is not incorporated. It is formed. Incorporation refers to creating a corporation, while forming an LLC is a separate process under state law. Both structures provide liability protection, but they are legally different. That said, an LLC can convert into a corporation if the owners choose. This is often done when seeking venture capital or planning to go public, since investors usually prefer corporations. The process may involve filing conversion documents with the state or forming a new corporation and merging the LLC into it. So while you don't incorporate an LLC, you can form one or later convert it into a corporation if your business needs change. Zen Business can help you form your LLC or guide you if you decide to convert it into a corporation later. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.